Hello and what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. If you have a knife, if you have a cool knife that you want to send in for me to make a video of here in the channel, I'll be more than happy. It will be a privilege for me to showcase your knife here in the channel. Check out my email down here. If you want to go ahead and send your cool gear for me to review, for me to showcase, unbox here in the channel on your behalf, of course, I can always give you a shout out on whatever social media account, YouTube channel, whatever social media interaction you have going on. But if you'd like to remain anonymous, that's cool as well. But yes, I've been wanting to review some of the community's gear as well. So you can see these are some of the knives that I've owned, that I've purchased with my own money. But hey, this hobby gets really expensive, and you know, there comes a point where, you know, when creating content, it helps if you have a little bit more of different knives, you know, that perhaps, you know, knives are some of these knives are not the most affordable per se, and of course, you know, the cost can definitely add up. So if you have some awesome cool knives that you would like for me to make videos of, it'll be a win-win situation, right? You can have a feature here in the channel, gives me material to create content from, and it will be all for your enjoyment, for everyone to enjoy, to continue to learn more about knives, learn more about EDC, learn more about everything about this awesome hobby that we're all part of. Don't forget to check out the affiliate links in the description for any of these knives. Again, those help out the channel at no extra cost to you. Guys, thank you so much again for making it to the end. I love you all. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.